Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the enhanced for loop. There is another version of for loop in Java. Enhanced for loop provides way to iterate through elements of collection on array. Now you may not familiar with collection on array, but we will cover these two topics soon in our course. It can be used only when there is a need to iterate through the elements in a sequential manner without knowing the index of the current element. I know this is little different from this topic, but you have to learn the enhanced for loop as this is the type of the loops. Now look at the example. I have declared a array here, string, language, and Java, Python, and C++ are elements in array. Array is nothing but a collection of elements of same data type. You can say that you can store many values in array of same data type. Like you can see Java, Python, and C++ are of string type, so you can store the elements of same data type in a array. We will definitely discuss about the array in our future videos. The main thing is for loop. Now you see that this for loop is little different from the previous for loop. I type the for, and within the parentheses I type string a : languages. At first it gets the first value from the array. The first element in array is Java, so it takes Java and store it in the a. And inside the for loop we just type system.out.println a, and it prints value of a on the screen. And this time the value of a is Java, so it prints Java on the screen. And next time it go to the next element, and this time it is Python, and it copies the Python to a. Now in a we have Python, and now Python is printed on the screen. In this way you can print and iterate all the elements in an array or a collection. So let's run our little program on our NetBeans. Now here I'm going to create an array here, string colors equals to red, green, blue, orange, white. Now we have these 5 elements in our array. Now I type for string a : colors and just print system.out.println a. Now if I run this program, you see all the elements in the array on the screen. So this is what we call iterate through the array or collection. Now this is array. There are 5 elements of same data type in this array, and we iterate through this array and prints all the values on the screen. So this is what we call the enhanced for loop. This is just used for the iteration when we want to iterate through a loop. I hope you understand. You will get it more helpful when we learn about the arrays and collections. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.